This is a quick video tutorial to help you merge your files, your assignment files from the DU Portfolio platform over to Digication. So you can see here that I have split my screen so that I can have the area where my files have been downloaded open on one side, and then my portfolio where my files exist on the other side of the screen, just to make this a little bit easier. So we're going to start by going up here to settings. We're going to click that. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to go to download portfolio files. So I'm obviously in my portfolio right now. And so then you can download a zip file, and I have created a folder, portfolio files. I'm downloading them. They're going in there. You can see right here, they are in that zip folder. So then I have copied them, copied the files from the zip folder over into this other folder so that they're a little bit easier for me to grab. And then I go over here to Digication, to the portfolio that I have already set up. And I've got, and this is from the template that that is available for you, University College portfolio template that you can use. And so I go over here. In the template, this tab says annotations. I've changed it to work. You can change it to be whatever works for you. It could be, you could have two tabs if you are getting ready for your putting assignments in to build up to your portfolio capstone. Then you might want to have that be portfolio assignments. Changing that tab is very easy. So you can see here that there's a space for a little blurb about your work. All of these things are really easy to customize. You can kind of just drag them around however you want them, like that. Then we're going to go down here to this little plus sign, and we're going to ignore those files that are up here at the top, and we're going to go to upload file, and then you can just highlight all of these files that are in your folder. And now I have saved all of these as PDFs. You might have Word documents or other videos, maybe things like that. Any of that can be pulled over in here. I just happen to like the PDFs because then they show up. So I just drag them over into that area, and then I go down here and I click upload, and then there they are. And you can scroll through. I uploaded 4 files, and there are 4 little dots down here to show those 4 pieces of work, artifacts of work. And you can keep adding things. You could also add another section if you wanted divided your work up by topic or class, or however you want to do it. And like I said, this is fully customizable. It's very easy. You can just kind of grab it and make it as big as you want. You can add other sections, but it's pretty easy. Just to recap, we go over to settings. So if I'm here, we go to settings, we go to download portfolio files, we get a zip folder, we open up that zip folder, we make sure that we can have these files in a folder. Then we go over to Digication, we click on the plus symbol, we drag those files over, and that's pretty much it.